Hello everyone. Welcome back to Finance with Brothers. I'm Ajay Sharma, and since it's the Festival of Lights, Happy Diwali to you and your family. This Diwali, instead of just lighting diyas, let's also light up our financial future. So if you've received your Diwali bonus or are planning to invest, stay with me till the end. Because I share smart ways to make this festive season truly prosperous. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance with Brothers. We prepare easy to understand finance and investment videos to help you and your family make better money decisions. Diwali isn't just about sweets, lights, and celebration. It's also about new beginnings. Traditionally, Indians believe buying something valuable on Dhanteras brings wealth and prosperity. That's why many of us buy gold, silver, or even new property during this time. But today, let's ask a question. Can we make our Diwali spending smarter? Instead of only buying gold jewelry, what if we invest that same money into something that grows faster and builds wealth for the long term? Gold has always been close to our hearts. It's safe, it's liquid, and it's trusted for generations. But did you know, if you buy physical gold, you actually lose around 8 to 10% instantly because of making charges, taxes, and storage costs? That's why many smart investors now prefer digital gold, gold ETFs, or sovereign gold bonds. They offer the same exposure to gold prices, without worrying about safety or purity. Sovereign gold bonds even give 2.5% annual interest on top of the gold price appreciation, a double benefit. But gold isn't the only shining asset this Diwali. This is a great time to review your portfolio and start systematic investments for the new year. Think of it like cleaning your house. You remove old clutter and bring in freshness. Similarly, clean your portfolio. First, check your mutual funds and SIPs. Then, add index funds or blue chip stocks. Explore short-term debt funds if you need liquidity. And if you have long-term goals, stick to diversified equity funds. Remember, small consistent investments always outperform one-time impulsive buying. Many people ask me, should I invest in crypto this Diwali? Well, crypto is like firecrackers, bright and exciting but risky if handled carelessly. If you understand the market, allocate only a small portion, maybe 5 to 10% of your portfolio. Real estate also shines during festive months, but ensure proper documentation and avoid over-leveraging with loans. The key is diversification. Don't put all your diyas in one thali. Here's a simple Diwali investment formula. 50% of your money should be allocated to equity mutual funds or index funds. Next 20% of your money should be allocated to gold or silver. Next 20% should be allocated to short-term debt fund or fixed deposit for safety. Remaining 10% should be allocated to cash or emergency fund. This balance keeps your money safe, growing, and flexible, perfect for the coming year. So this Diwali, let's promise ourselves, we won't just decorate our homes, we'll decorate our financial life too. Let's make every rupee count, invest wisely, and create long-term wealth for our families. Because remember, real brightness isn't just from diyas, it's from financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Finance with Brothers, and share it with friends and family to help them invest smarter this festive season. Happy Diwali once again, and happy investing.